Well, he was a Cardinal Newman High School football star who went on to play in college and the NFL.
Now, Travis Rudolph, the 26-year-old, facing some serious charges after deputies say he was involved in a deadly shooting attack back in April.
He remains in jail, but is relying on Florida's Stand Your Ground law to set him free. And today, Rudolph will be back in court. WPTV News Channel 5's Cameron Leppinger joins us live with what we can all expect to happen in the courtroom. Hey, Cam.
Mike and Ashley, day 2 of Rudolph's Stand Your Ground hearing is expected to get underway in just a few hours. And as I mentioned earlier, we're expecting to hear from him for the very first time since the shooting. And just to give you some background, take a look. Rudolph was known as an exceptional player both on and off the field. After FSU, he went on to play 2 seasons in the NFL with the Giants. And you may remember he was the player who made headlines for this kind gesture during a high school visit in Tallahassee. He decided to sit down and have lunch with a young student on the autism spectrum who was eating alone. But now Rudolph is back in the spotlight after being charged with first-degree murder and 3 counts of attempted murder following a Lake Park shooting that happened back in April. While in court yesterday, his attorneys argued Rudolph's case shouldn't be able to go to trial because he acted in self-defense. Deputies say Rudolph fired several shots at 4 men, ultimately killing one of them. We also heard from Rudolph's ex-girlfriend, Dominique Jones, on Monday. She says before the shooting, she and Rudolph got into a fight after she found out he was cheating on her. According to court documents, the victims and 2 other men showed up at Rudolph's doorstep to speak to him after they learned he had been fighting with Jones. Now, back out here live, we know today's hearing is set to start at 9:30. In addition to expecting to hear from Jones, we also hope to learn from the judge whether or not if this case will in fact move forward to a trial. We're live this morning at the courthouse. I'm Cameron Leppinger. Back to you.